equals your HP ProBook 470G2 makes a dodgy noise. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This noise usually means the speaker is faulty or has loose connections. Replacing the speaker will solve the issue, restoring your device to normal. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.